Department Program Manager at VEGA Americas. I've been with VEGA for 14 years in the current role for 9 years.
Wonderful. So VEGA has been using RIG for almost a decade now. How have you seen the company change over that time?
It's been pretty amazing to see the company change. I mean, the biggest change, of course, is our new factory here we've been in campus that we've been in for 2 years. Coming from the roots of our Oakley campus, this is an amazing facility and really meets all of our needs for the growth that we've seen. But it's been a lot about the people, increase the number of employees, just our growth numbers, the new campus, and it still feels like a place of family. That's the great part.
And VEGA has decided to implement RIG on a company-wide scale, not just operational. Why?
At the time, the vision of it was really insightful. It was really focused on our customers, both internal and external customers. And it identified that the processes in the factory weren't the only ones that could impact our customers. We wanted to make sure anybody interfacing with our customers had the ability to make changes that benefited our growth. We could do things efficiently and from a lean perspective, but then also recognize that impacted the full stream of processing orders and in the industries.
What is one of the biggest changes that VEGA had to make?
I think the biggest change and the most impactful would be the collaboration across departments. RIG allowed us to not just identify those things that needed to be improved, but also identify all the departments that would be impacted by a process improvement or when we did need to make things more efficient. And now you commonly see different groups getting together, having the ability to have that conversation and identify all the steps that need to be taken so that they can make things better.
What kind of tone does RIG set at VEGA?
It really sets the tone that it's okay if we make mistakes. It's okay if things go wrong. The biggest part of when things go wrong is being able to identify that we need to fix it. And we need to work through and have a way to either make the improvement or make sure it doesn't have, it's not as painful the next time. And so it just allows for that conversation to happen and make sure that we're just okay with that growth mode.
And after almost a decade of RIG at VEGA, how do you plan to keep it going?
I would say the key to this success is that the leadership is behind RIG. That's the key to the sustainability of this continuous improvement movement for us. From the start, leadership held managers accountable, and then the managers held the people accountable to making sure we were constantly talking about it. It wasn't only a manager's or the president's job to make sure that things were fixed or that problems were addressed. It then became the people within the organization's responsibility because of that accountability. And I think that's been the key to our driving success of it.
That's all my questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.